And the only 5 for Spartans.
Sigahanap kayo
Number
announcer nandun pala.
25, number 14, number 0. Dalawang number 0 pala. Si Tatum and hindi ko kita. Basta dalawang number 0 ng green.
Agent Zero.
Number 31.
Ingat sa akin, isa.
Ball is up. The White with the first possession. Number 15 with the ball. Pass to number 23. Out to number 8. Gets the screen. Uses it. Out to number 15 to number 3. Fakes the 3. Drives in. Nilabas ulit nila. Losing it. Number 31 with a rebound for Spartans. Number 14. Mag-aantay muna. Number 14. Shoots it. No good. Rebound by number 15. Number 8. Long pass to number 3. Fast break. No good. Rebound by number 3. And number 25. Number 25. Pass out to number 0. Tatum for 3. No good. Rebound by number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 23. Fake the 3. Drives it up. Steal the man of Spartans. Spartans ball. Long pass to number 0. Number 0, he just got that, umikot. Traveling violation is called on number 0. Bergen ball.
Tan, kunin mo na Tan.
Number 15 with the ball for Bergen. The home team. Number 8. Turnover again by Bergen. Green ball. Number 25, Dominguez Carte. Na-steal niya ulit. Ang gandang diskarte. Pressure defense by Bergen. Long pass, intercepted. Number 12, loses it. Recovers it. Number 12 to number 8. 2 balls for Bergen. Score is 2-0. Number 0. Number 0. Number 0. Foul. And 1. No good, no good, no good. Sorry. My bad. On the floor. Baseline ball.
Match up. Nearest man.
Number 0, Tatum. No good. Rebound. Same ball.
One stop. Let's go.
25 all the way. Sayang. Number 12. Number 12 all the way. Kinaliwa. Wala. Number 0. Sinasa number 14. Wait lang daw. Number 14. Ano number na ko? So number 0 down low. Steal by Bergen. Number 15 pass to number 12. So number 8. Nagtitimon ng ofensa para sa Bergen. Number 8 to number 15. 15 out to number 3 for 3. For Rubin. Steal by number 12. Number 12. It is Carte. We go, we move. Pinilit. Foul. It's called on number 31. 2 shots. 4. 12. White.
Relax lang dyan.
Curtis first shot. Last shot for Curtis. Good rebound by 25.
Yun! Match up yun!
Pass to March. March dribbling the ball.
Up!
Inbound.
Bento dribbling the ball. Jump shot.
Go down.
March dribbling the ball. Pass to Pagnon. Same ball. Yes! That was 3 points!
Sabi ya, pre.
By... Rubin dribbling the ball. Pass to Rubin. Tan. Jump shot. That was 2 points by Tan. Very strong defense from the team. Open, Mark. Layup. 2 points by Mark.
Sabi ya, pre.
Rubin pass to Bento. Bento dribbling the ball. Pass to Davis. Rubin on the three. Curtis, penetrate. No foul. Two points, that was counted.
Yung nag-a-announce na mga call, magsasabay kayo.
Benta.
Bita. Yeah. No.
We
Daniel
have
and
a
Chase.
substitution.
Nine.
Tan out.
Yeah. Okay. Chase down.
Tan out.
Right up. Yeah.
Andy first shot. One shot. Andy last one. 1 point for Andy. Garcia, pass to Rubin. Back to Garcia. Garcia to Rubin. Back to Garcia. Turnover by Argentina. Andy dribbling the ball. Pass to Zero. Bagnol on the three. Rebound by Curtis. Pass to Rubin. Penetrate. We have a traveling violation. Traveling. We have substitution. Curtis out. Pabiliari. Bagnol dribbling the ball. Symbol, we have symbol. Inbound. Pass to March out in the open. Easy 2 points by March. Garcia dribbling the ball. Pass to Rubin on the three. Yes, 3 points by Rubin. Ako dribbling the ball. Heavy traffic. Pass to Andy.
Corner ball.
Andy on. Rebound by Paul. Pass to Rubin on the three. March. Attack by March. Easy 2 points by March. Garcia dribbling the ball. Pavilion. Yep, you have a foul. March foul. Invento. Pasok Kisby. 2 points.
Hey,
Easy 2
coach!
points.
Hey!
Kisby.
Nangyari.
Good.
Garcia dribbling the ball. Pass to Paul. Paul on the jump shot. Air ball. Pabiliar.
Yay!
Patung dribbling the ball. A very strong defense from the Burger team. Andy on the 3. 3 points by Andy.
2-3 lang tayo. Baba ka agad. Baba. Wala mag-aharas. Baba ka agad.
Garcia dribbling the ball.
Wala mag-aharas ha.
Pasok ang Bento. Pabiliar. Free.
Yay! 2-3!
We have a foul. Foul 24. Rubin foul. Ball to Bergen Spartans.
Hawakan mo na isang bike.
Magnol dribbling the ball. March. Attack by March. Tatung on the follow-up. Yes. Tatung 2 points.
Reserve timeout kami ha.
Convento. On the attack. Andy. Pavilion.
Go! Go!
Pass to Convento. Robin on the open 3.
Ah!
Ay, Rubin.
Huwag kang pumasok dyan.
March dribbling the ball. March. We have a foul. 24 foul Rubin.
Timeout.
We have a timeout. We have an announcement. We're also going to play now with table tennis. You can now come to the table tennis area. They are starting now. Thank you.
Sabi ko, man, pero may napapabayaan pa na kayo dun sa ilalim. One minute. Kanina ba? Kaya nga, pinalit ko sa tubig kasi nga.
Thanks again to one of our major sponsors. This FCSB Sports Event 2025, Pada Starubang. Thank you.
Upo tayo. Kaya ko.
Okay, score check. 19 points for a Bergen Spartan and 72 points
Kahit tumitira, huwag tayong mag-give up, hindi pwede.
Bergen team.
1, 2, 3,
Okay, back to the ball game. March, dribbling the ball. Tatum. Steal. Good steal by Convento. Pass to Pabiliar. Andy dribbling the ball. to Tatum on the 3, open. Ruben dribbling the ball. Convento. On the attack. Good. Easy 2 points for Convento. All score is all 99. 19.
99. Layo.
Backdoor on the dribble.
Hands up! Go!
Convento. Pass to Robin. Follow up by Convento. Convento 2 points. We have a timeout. Timeout Bergen Spartans.
Ikaw magtuwa, si coach ang magwa. So, ganun din yung ginagawa ni Daniel. Nasip yung rebound, takbo ka natin. Coach, ayun doon. Walang problema.
Nasa loob ako siya na.
Si Ata na sa labas.
Okay. Trust your Kuya Allen and Koji. He's the one leading here outside. Okay? You can keep points, but trust him. Trust him. Pass his goal.
Lumalabas pala ang galing pag nape-pressure.
Okay, Patrick Songin. Bagnol dribbling the ball. Andy dribbling the ball. Still by Rubin. Pass to Pavilion. Good layup by Agyapas. Mark dribbling the ball. Pass to Bagnol. Rebound by Pavilion. Pass to Agyapas. On the layup. Bagnol. Pass to March. March on the 3. Open air ball.
Sub.
Garcia dribbling the ball. Pass to Rubin. Turnover for Bergen. We have a substitution. Time out. No substitution.
Manuel, takbo na! Sakto, defense daw. Okay?
Andy dribbling the ball.
Go! Pati!
Pass to March.
Please!
Bagnol. Carry defensive. Bagnol on the shot. Jump shot.
Hands up!
Andy. We have a foul. 0-0. 0-0.
Bita!
We have a penalty substitution.
Nice one. Nice one.
Garcia out.
Mamaya.
Andy's first throw. 1 point for Andy. Andy's last throw. Another 1 point for Andy. A total of 2 points. Time remaining, we have 3 minutes and 10 seconds. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Paso Rivera. Rivera to Pernis. Rivera. Paso Agyapas. Again to Rivera. Rivera on the jump shot.
Nice one! Hey!
Foul. Number 0.
Hold!
Final 0. Kisby, sorry, Kisby. 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 Okay. First row, Furnace. Bit short.
Tanong ka.
Last row by Furnace.
Ayan o. Bench
Hindi,
mo.
kapusok, hindi pumasok. 1 point for Furnace.
Eh, kayo sa ibabaw!
Back ball, dribbling the ball.
Baba pa! Manuel, baba pa!
Very tight. Too strong.
Go, Chase! Go! Go!
Dribbling the ball. Pass to Agapas. Pass to Furnace. Pass to Agapas.
Yes!
3 points. Andy, pass to March. Pass to Tatum. Tatum on the 3. Rivera dribbling the ball. Pass to Furnace on the attack. 2 points for Furnace. Time out now. Back ball, dribbling the ball. Tatum on the power play. Back ball again for the follow-up.
Ayun na! Go, 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 go!
Pass to Agapas. Follow back. No good. We have a foul. Sino? Andy, 25. Foul Andy, 25. We have substitution. Again in. Number 1 out. We have a timeout. Timeout for Bergen Spartans.
Listen up. Same plan. Same plan, right? Wait 2, 3. No pressure. But be ready. Once I call it, adjust. Right? Make 2 again. Make point and break. Keep on running. Keep on running.
The announcement of those who are going to play now with table tennis, please proceed to the table tennis area. Please contact Wilbert. He is committee assigned for
Coach,
this
ano masasabi
table
niyo,
tennis.
Coach?
Thank you.
Galit na si Coach.
Galit na si Coach.
Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, remaining time is 1 minute and 28 seconds. 1 minute and 28 seconds. Score is 10-1 on favor of Bergen team, and 21 points for Bergen Spartans. 1 point for Furnace. Last throw for Furnace. Short. Cutting on the ball. '69 foul. We have 1 minute and 17 seconds left. On the first throw. 1 point for Andy. Last throw for Andy. Ball to Bergen Spartans.
Andrew, sa'yo!
Andy. Paso Tatog. Power play. 2 points for Tatog. Tan dribbling the ball. Paso Gapas on the penetrate. 2 points.
Yay!
March dribbling the ball. Pass to Andy. Very tight defense. Tight defense of Bergen team. Pass to March. Good skill. Rivera, pass to Rivera. On the Rivera 2 points.
1985 layup yun ah!
March in the ball, pass to Andy. 10 seconds. Andy, 3 points. No good follow up. We have a foul. Fairness. Well, fairness foul. We have 2 shots. Kipski. First shot by Kipski. Okay, last shot. Last throw for Kipski. 1 point for Kipski. And dribbling the ball. Pass to Rivera. Same ball. Sorry. Time out. Time out. Finish the first half.
Tapos na time?
First half is over. Yeah.
Good job, it's okay. Just the last 5 minutes.
You want to go home earlier.
When you indicate.
The ball or switch or...
Thanks to our one of our major sponsors for this FCSB Sports Fest 2025, Philstar Balikbayan Box for your Balikbayan Box padala.
Score! First half, 36-25 in favor of Bergen.
Okay, score is 36 for Bergen and 25 points for Bergen Spartans in favor of Bergen team.
If you don't see there, you'll fall.
Dalawang qualify. Ito, ano pa ang qualify?
Oy, nice game ah. Galing ah.
Hey, you bring Bergen. Sa ilan? Sa ilan?